How to add note to Instagram posts and Reels. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to add note to Instagram posts and Reels. You can add short text messages to someone's post or your existing photo and Reels. So, to add a note on someone's Instagram posts and Reels. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile phone. Once you're on Instagram, find the specific post or Reel video where you want to add a note. You can access your own posts from your profile page. You can also tap on the Reels icon at the bottom of the screen to access all Reel videos and scroll through Instagram. Once you find the Reel video or photo of someone else or your own, tap on the Share icon. The Share icon is located at the bottom of the post for pictures and on the right side of the screen for Reels. In the pop-up menu that appears after tapping the Share icon, you'll see an option called Add Note at the bottom left corner. Just tap on it. A text box will appear with your Instagram profile picture where you can type your message. Notes are limited to 60 characters, so keep it short and sweet. Below the text box, you can select who can see your note. You can choose either followers you follow back or close friends. Once you have written your note and chosen your audience, tap the Share button. Now your notes on the picture or video can be seen by your friends or close friends based on your choice. And this is how to add note to Instagram posts and Reels. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.